An isosceles right triangle with legs of length s has area A equals 1/2 s squared. At the instant when s is equal to root 32 centimeters, the area of the triangle is increasing at a rate of 12 square centimeters per second. At what rate is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle increasing in centimeters per second at that instant? All right, so I have a couple things going on here. First off, I'm going to use the formula for area of the right triangle in order to find ds dt, which would be the rate at which the side is changing. All right, so let's go. A is equal to 1/2 s squared. So if I take the derivative of that, I get dA dt is equal to s ds dt. All right, well, it tells us dA dt is 12. And we know the side length is root 32. So that means ds dt is going to equal 12 divided by root 32. All right, good. Now once we have that, we're going to look at the second part. At what rate is the length of the hypotenuse increasing at that instant? All right, so we need to get a hypotenuse involved somehow. So in this case here, I'm going to use Pythagorean's theorem, and we know we have an isosceles right triangle, so the sides are the same. So leg squared s squared plus s squared is equal to, let's just call it h for the hypotenuse. All right. So let's take the derivative of that. Well, first let's combine this. So we would get 2s squared is equal to h squared. Now let's do the derivative. We would get 4s ds dt is equal to 2h dh dt. Now our goal here is we're finding the rate at which the length of the hypotenuse is changing. So we're trying to find dh dt. All right, so let's plug in what we have. So we've got the side is 4. We got s is root 32. We got ds dt is 12 over root 32 is equal to 2 times, now we don't have h. Well, in order for us to get h, we know that we have the square root of 32 squared plus the square root of 32 squared is equal to h squared. So this would be 64 is equal to h squared. So h is equal to 8. So this is 8 dh dt. All right, so the root 32s are going to cancel, and we're going to get 48. 48 on the left is equal to 16 dh dt. Divide both sides by 16, and we would get dh dt is 3 centimeters per second.